Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to apologize for not uploading videos for so long. I'm very sorry, was caught up with some other work, both professionally and personally. And a major incident that happened last month was I was diagnosed COVID positive on January 26th, which took me good 1 month to recover. So right now I'm okay, I'm doing good, I'm doing better, recovering very nicely. I have utilized my quarantine time very well, so I have read quite some books which I will be discussing in my next video. So today here I am to unbox a book box. So this book box was sent to me by 99bookscart.com. They were very sweet to send me a mystery box which is of 15 books, and the cost of this book box is $9.99. Just for $9.99 you will be getting 15 books. They are pre-loved or used books. I have not checked I don't know which box this is because it is a mystery box. First of all the books in this genre are mystery or thriller, and as well as it's a mystery box for me too because I don't know what are the books. I did not pick the titles. You have to just place an order for a mystery box. You'll be getting 15 books for $9.99, which is a very good deal, especially if you don't have too much budget for buying first-hand books or new books. I feel that we have to explore more and more second-hand books or these pre-loved, because first of all we will get to know so many new authors which we would not know by now because they had written it few years ago. Those gems would be lost. So one reason is that we will get to know many authors, and second thing is that it is quite affordable. Those who don't want to spend too much money on book, or those who have a limited budget for the books, then definitely this is a great option. So about the details of the website, about the box, everything I will leave in the description box. Please do check it once you are done watching the video. Okay, so right now I have just opened the box. I have not seen what are the titles that is there in the box. So this is how I received my package of 15 books. The box is so cute and compatible. Okay, so now I have just opened it. I have not checked it. I can see there are few bookmarks also. I'll just show you how the box looks like. So neatly arranged, 15 books. I'm so excited. Let's see one by one. First I'll see what are the bookmarks that I have received from 99 Books Cart. Escaping Reality, 1 page at a time. So 2. Oh, this is a Read, Lead, Succeed. It looks like a sticker, small cute sticker. Then I just want to read all day every day. That's so cute. All cute bookmarks I have received. Find surprises at every turn. Nice. Oh, there are few more. My god, they have sent so many bookmarks. It's very cute. Okay, and the quality of the bookmarks are also good. Definitely you can use them while reading the books. And a letter. We are so pleased to receive your order. Hope to see you again. Happy reading. So buy and sell books anytime. And there is one more sticker. Okay, so now let's see all the 15 books that I have received. Some are mystery thrillers. I think this is a mixture of all the genres here, as I can see. Let's go one by one, and I'll tell you, I don't know the blurb of the book. I don't know the premise or the background, what it is. I am absolutely clueless. So that is making me more happy because I don't know about the book. So I will start the book with the zero expectation, which is a good thing. So the first book is All for Nothing by Walter Kempowski. Looks like a thriller or a mystery book, looking at the cover, and the cover is so gorgeous. The condition of the book is good. There is no name or anything written like that. "5 October at Durrance." Something is written over here, but name of the previous owner is not mentioned. Quality of the pages looks good. It looks like it has not been read. It's old. The book looks quite new. Yes, the sides are yellow because it is an old book, except that there is no ears to the pages paper quality is absolutely fine. This is book number 1. And there is a book by Sophie Kinsella. I'm in love with her writing. I've read one book, The Undomestic Goddess, right now, which was so good. I'll talk about it in the next video. This is Sophie Kinsella's My Not So Perfect Life. All her books are quite chick-lit, or it'll be too much of lively kind of a thing, all her writing. The cover is slightly yellow. There is some patches here and there. Pages looks fine. Again, this looks like it was not used before, because quality is fine, except that there is slight yellowing here and there. But I'm happy that I got one Sophie Kinsella book in this set. The next we have is Things We Never Say by Sheila O'Flanagan. I'm very sorry if I'm pronouncing the names wrong. I am sure I'm pronouncing it wrong. So again, this is a very beautiful cover. Again, paper quality, book quality, everything looks good. Only I don't say it as a drawback. Only thing that we get is the sides will be slight yellow. Apart from that, everything about the book is really good. Wow, this is so lively. This is like giving me summer vibes. Summer with the Country Village Wet, A Little Village on the Green by Zara Stoneley. Wow, it looks so lively, so cheerful. Again, this is about Lucy Jacobs. Okay, excited for this one. There's a cute little dog over here. Very nice cover, book quality. I'm really happy with the quality of the books. So far, not even one book is of, I found it torn or something like that. Page quality, everything is nice. And all are quite thick books. Book number 5, Salmon Fishing in the Yemen by Paul Torday. Okay, as I said, I don't have much idea about the book since I did not pick the titles, but I'm very happy to receive the books in such good condition. Again, the next book is Clary McGowan's Blood Tide. Oh, it is again a forensic psychologist Paula Margir returns. Looks like an investigative book, yes, called in to investigate the disappearance of a young couple during a violent storm. So such books, I love reading thrillers. Might be mystery, murder, crime mystery, or crime thrillers, or psychological thrillers, whatever it is. Thrillers are always the best time pass you can do. It is like, so good, you just keep on reading. Page turner it will be. A missing couple, a hidden killer, a perfect storm. Wow, that itself is so interesting. Again, I think this page quality, and even it is not yellow on the sides, looks like it is a new book, never used by anybody. It's a very good quality. And the next book is The Girl Who Played with Fire by Stieg Larsson. Oh, I think this is a trilogy book, a Millennium Trilogy. Yes, it is second book in the Millennium Trilogy. I have to now search for the first and third book. But I have heard about it from different bookstagrammers and booktubers that this trilogy is really very good, really very good. So I will quickly buy the other two and then start reading the series, because this is second book. I cannot start it straight away, but I will soon try to get hold of other two books. Wow, next one is Chosen, a House of Night novel by PC and Kristin Cast. Wow guys, just look at the cover of this. It's so gorgeous. Okay, again, looks like a trilogy. By here there are two other books, Marked and Betrayed. Okay, let me find out if it's a part of some trilogy or a series, and then I will start reading the book. But it is so good. Again, same condition, books are all of great quality, in very good condition. Oh, next is a very thick book. This is 19 Minutes by Jodi Picoult. Your son says the bullying was unbearable, but his revenge was murder. What would you do? Whoa. Again, looks like kind of a mystery book named 19 Minutes. I think I have heard about this book a lot, that this book is very, very nice and it's a good thriller. Might be. It's a very interesting read. So I'm very happy that I got this. And look at that. Look at the thickness of the book. And the next one by John Grisham. Okay, I don't have any of the John Grisham's book, and I know that he mostly writes all thriller books. So it is The Appeal by John Grisham. And I'm happy that I got it. Since I didn't have any of the books by John Grisham, I always wanted one. This looks good. Oh, the next I have is The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. Okay, I have just finished reading this book. I already have a copy of it, and I got one which I already have, but it's okay. I will give it to my friend. Some of my friends who are very interested in reading this. A great book, guys. Great book. I've read it. Okay. Next is The 100-Year-Old Man Who Climbed Out of the Window and Disappeared, the international best-selling sensation. The author is Jonas Jonasson. Okay. This also looks interesting. The cover is so nice. And again, I feel this book was never sold. It is old, but it was never sold, I feel, because pages are so white. Very nice. Next is The General by Robert Muchamore. Punchy, exciting, glamorous, and what's more, you'll completely wish it was true. Okay. This is near Las Vegas. Okay, looks like something related to gambling. Looking at the cover, it looks like something related to gambling. Something that is happening in the club. Okay, again, books all are of very good quality. Okay, there is one book by Barack Obama that is Dreams from My Father, thoughtful, moving, and brilliantly written. Wow, his remarkable life story in his own words. Nice. I wanted to read The Promised Land by Barack Obama, but to be honest, it was on a very higher side. Price was very high, so I did not buy it. Was like, let me wait for some time. Now I got one of his book which says about his life story. I think it'd be good to read more about him, because I really adore him, or I really like him. It's good book to start with. I'm happy that I got one Barack Obama book. And the last from the lot is Lee Child, the new Jack Reach thriller. Lee Child, world's #1 bestseller. Past Tense by Lee Child. Okay, again, this I've seen this books by these authors in many websites, in many this second-hand websites. I think again this book looks new, might be old but not sold. Anyways, so I'm happy that I got all the books. All the 15 books were in really, really good condition. I highly recommend you to check 99bookcart.com once. 15 books for just 999 rupees is worth the deal. Each book will cost you around 60 to 70 rupees, and you can definitely pay that much for all the great quality of books that you will receive. Yes, they are used ones, but there is no damage to the books whatsoever. So all the link to the website as well as all the details will be available in the description box. Please do check it out. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I'll promise you guys that I will be uploading regularly from now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.